Well, I represent someone who's too tall for the mic, so I'm going to bring it up to me. All right. Well, this is my project in a nutshell. I was a professional counselor for a while and a licensed social worker. And I've always been amazed at how many times I heard people say, he just doesn't hear me, or I don't understand what that person said. And so I have a passion to really encourage us to be better listeners. And so I've developed this Lucy booth, a psychiatric help, 5 cents. And because she's so concerned about people and their health, she's got it free now. And so people will be able to come and sit down at my booth, and they can talk about anything they want. They can rant, rave, confess. It's all confidential, anonymous, but they will take away several things. They'll take away this handout on how to be a better listener. And this is not an extensive list, it's just some good points. And then also, they'll be asked to fill out a real short survey to give us feedback, to let us know, do they really feel like they're being listened to? Do they feel like this exercise helped them? And ways that they can really, optional information, gender and age would be good. I'd like to know, not required, but I would like to know if there's a difference. The subject matters, the kinds of things that people want to talk about, and where they don't feel like they're being heard. The budget for it, I've already built the booth, and this is designed to be taken apart and carried by bicycle. So I can ride all over Boise, set it up in coffee shops. I've already approached some, and they're going like, bring it on. And so I think it's going to be fun. As you can see, even at 500 people, we're looking at almost $300 just for the printing. And also then there's other expenses, some things that I haven't determined yet, like if I decide to do it at the farmer's market, to rent space, or at Boise in the Park, whatever. But the whole idea is, again, to ask people to think about what it means to be a good listener. I don't know about you, but I recognize the fact that we live in a community or culture where it's really easy to get distracted. We have our cell phones, we have our laptops, we have our tablets. And the thing about it is that we're really cheating people when they're speaking to us if we're distracted. We're not really hearing what they're saying. And in a way, we are dismissing them. Whether it's our children, spouse, neighbor, coworker, if we don't give people our undivided attention and actively listen, we're actually dismissing them. And I think that's a shame. And I think that the cry on a lot of people's hearts, and it's my passion, is that we hear one another, that we actually listen to one another. You know, it's really a good thing to be a good speaker, to be a good communicator. But I think it's more important to be a good listener. And so I just want to say that Lucy, she's listening. She's listening. Are you? Thank you.